Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the answer key for the test series 5. The first question: show that 0.2353535 or equals to 0.235 bar can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. Let x is equals to 0.2353535 be our first equation. Since two digits are repeating, so we will multiply with 100. On the both side of equation 1, we will multiply with 100, so we will get 100x is equals to 23.5353535 . Now 23.53535 can be written as 23.3 plus 0.23535 . This part can be written as x, and we have made it perpetually written like this so that we can utilize the value of x from relation 1. Now transposing the side of x, we will get 99x is equals to 23.3. So subjecting x now, we will get 23.3 by 99, which is equals to 233 by 990. So decimal expansion in form of non-terminating recurring number is expressed in a rational number in P by Q form. So this is how this sum number 1 can be done. Question number 2. In figure, the line XY and MN intersect at O. If POY is equals to 90 degree and A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3, find angle C. So you can see the given are POY is 90 degree and A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3. So we can write it as A as 2x and B as 3x. Therefore, x or y is a straight line. Since x or y is a straight line, so we can write it as XOM plus MOY plus POY is equals to 180 degree, which is a linear pair. So 3x plus 2x plus 90 is equals to 180 degree. So on subjecting x, we will get 90 degree by 2, 90 degree by 5, which is equals to 18 degree. So the value of A and B can be written as 36 and 54. Now the line XY and MN intersect at O. So whenever we get such kind of lines, we can say the line MON, or rather MOY, is equals to XON, as they are vertically opposite angles. So C can be written as A plus 90 degree and the value of A is 36. So the value of C is 126 degree. The third question is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC. Side AB is produced to D such that AD is equals to AB. Show that angle BCD is a right angle triangle. So here AB is equals to AC and AD is equals to AB is given. We have to prove that angle at C is 90 degree. Now in triangle ABC, we have AB is equals to AC, which implies angle ACB is equals to ABC. The angles opposite to equal side is equal. And we have AB is equals to AD and AB is equals to AC. Together it will give us AC is equals to AD. Now in triangle ADC, angle ACD is equals to ADC. The reason is angles opposite to equal side is equal. Now these two relations we will add. So we will add the C part together and B and D together. So angle ACB plus angle ACD is equals to angle ABC plus angle ADC. So together we will get angle BCD is equals to angle DBC plus BDC. Now in triangle BDC, the full big triangle, all the three angles in the triangle is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. So BCD remains BCD, but the part in the bracket, this part, together will give us another BCD from relation 3. So we will get 2 BCDs. So 2 BCD is equals to 180 degree. 1 BCD is equals to 90 degree. So the angle at C becomes 90 degree. So this is how question number 3 is solved. Lastly, there is one equation in two variable, 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. We have to find all the four solutions. There can be infinite many solutions, but we will find only 4 solutions. First, the linear equation can be written as 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. So we will subject either of the variable. Let us subject x. So we will get minus 5 by 2 into y on subjecting x. Now x becomes dependent variable and y becomes independent variable. The reason because they are so, whichever one we subject, the other one is not being subjected. So the value of x in this case, the value of x can be only found out by considering certain values of for y. So here we are considering the multiples of 2 so that we get ordered pair which is not in fraction form or not in decimal form. So we have taken all the multiples of y as 2. The first y we have considered is 2. So substituting the value of y in the equation, we will get x is equals to minus 5 by 2 into 2 is equals to minus 5. So the ordered pair is minus 5 comma 2. Now y is equals to minus 2. So the value of x becomes 5. The ordered pair becomes 5 by 5 comma minus 2. Next we considered y is equals to 4. So x becomes minus 10. So the ordered pair is minus 10 comma 4. And lastly y is equals to minus 4. So we get x is equals to 10. The ordered pair is 10 comma minus 4. Now our 4 solutions are written in a box and is in this form. For the corresponding x we get the corresponding y, or the ordered pair can be written as like this. For minus 5, y is equals to 2. For x is equals to 5, y is equals to minus 2. For x is equals to minus 10, y is equals to 4. And for x is equals to 10, y is equals to minus 4. So these are the 4 question answers that was given in test series 5. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you.